Reactions in which ions are exchanged between two reactants forming new compounds are called double displacement reactions. When the solution of barium chloride reacts with the solution of sodium sulfate, white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed along with sodium chloride. When sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride and water are formed. Double displacement reaction in which precipitate is formed is also known as precipitate reaction. Neutralization reactions are also examples of double displacement reaction. Precipitate reaction. The reaction in which precipitate is formed by the mixing of the aqueous solution of two salts is called precipitate reaction. Neutralization reaction. The reaction in which an acid reacts with a base to form salt and water by an exchange of ion is called neutralization reaction. Now let us discuss oxidation and reduction reactions. Oxidation. Addition of oxygen or a non-metallic element or removal of hydrogen or metallic element from a compound is known as oxidation. Elements or compounds in which oxygen or non-metallic element is added or hydrogen or metallic element is removed are called to be oxidized. Reduction. Addition of hydrogen or metallic element or removal of oxygen or non-metallic element from a compound is reduction. The compound or element which goes under reduction is called to be reduced. Oxidation and reduction take place together. Oxidizing agent. The substance which gives oxygen for oxidation is called oxidizing agent. The substance which removes hydrogen is called oxidizing agent. Reducing agent. The substance which gives hydrogen for reduction is called a reducing agent. The substance which removes oxygen is also called a reducing agent. The reaction in which oxidation and reduction both take place simultaneously is called redox reaction. When copper oxide is heated with hydrogen, then copper metal and water are formed. In this reaction, copper oxide is changing into copper. Oxygen is being removed from copper oxide. Removal of oxygen from a substance is called reduction. So copper oxide is being reduced to copper. In this reaction, hydrogen is changing to water. Oxygen is being added to hydrogen. Addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation. So hydrogen is being oxidized to water. The substance which gets oxidized is the reducing agent. The substance which gets reduced is the oxidizing agent. Exothermic and endothermic reactions. At first, let us know what is exothermic reaction. Reaction which produces energy is called exothermic reaction. Most of the decomposition reactions are exothermic. Respiration is a decomposition reaction in which energy is released. When quicklime is added to water, it releases energy. Endothermic reaction. A chemical reaction in which heat energy is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. Decomposition of calcium carbonate is example of endothermic reaction.